What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be testing the Pink Stuff paste versus a Dollar Tree dupe to see which one will clean my drip pans better. First, I'm going to be using the Pink Stuff on the left side, and I will only be cleaning half so that we can do a comparison of both sides. The Pink Stuff paste has a mild abrasive, which works really well on caked on grease like this. And I can tell that it's coming off fairly easy. I'm putting in a little bit of elbow work, but honestly, not too much. The Pink Stuff did a really good job. That looks really clean on the left side. Now I'm just rinsing off the Scrub Daddy sponge and using cold water so that it can harden back up again so I can use the Dollar Tree dupe on the other half of the drip pan. So I noticed right away that this paste is not abrasive like the Pink Stuff. It actually was kind of just moving around on the drip pan. It was almost like I couldn't get it to rub in. It was cleaning the drip pan pretty well. However, there was just one spot right in the middle that it was not coming off, which you can see. And no matter how much I scrubbed, it would not take it off. So I decided to go back in with the Pink Stuff and see if I could get it off with that. And it did take it off. My drip pan basically looks brand new. Overall, they both did clean pretty well, but I would say that the Pink Stuff does a far better job cleaning drip pans. Well, that's all that I have for you guys in this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.